Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to go over the content cycles or promotion cycles. I keep mentioning this, and you're probably like, what the hell is he talking about? Just, it's pretty basic, okay? It sounds complicated, but it's really not. It's not, rocket science. I can do it, so it's super easy. All you have to understand is that uh, think of your group and the cycles of your group happening monthly. Okay, 30-day cycles. Some months are 31 days, etc. But you know what I mean. Every month, right? So every month there's going to be a cycle, and you can choose when that happens in your cycle, in your months, whether it be the beginning of the month, the middle of the month, the end of the month, whatever it may be. But there are cycles for promotion, and then there are cycles for just straight up value. Think of it as like tidal waves. I ran into a wall here. Think of it as like tidal waves, like ebbs and flows, right? Like ups and downs. If all you do, and we talked a little bit about this in the marketing channel versus branding channel, if all you ever do in your group is you sell, 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 people are going to go deaf to that. Like, they're just going to tune that out. They don't want to be sold to constantly every day, all day. So instead, right, you look at a calendar here. We're going to make this like horrible looking calendar, right? And instead, if you treat your group as this kind of like ocean with like waves and the ebbs and flows, then you're gonna, most of the time, I'd say like 80% of the time, 75-80% of the time in your months, just be giving away free stuff. Now, what ends up happening with a lot of group owners, again, is they're scared to death to give away the farm. This is another way that your group is going to separate itself from the other groups in your industry, in your niche, because so many admins, so many group owners are terrified. They're like, oh my God, I don't want to give away free stuff, because then why would people buy from me if I'm just giving away stuff for free? Well, here's the thing. People will absolutely buy from you. Okay, don't be afraid to give away free stuff. Don't be afraid to like constantly be adding value and being supportive. Okay, because even though people love free stuff and they're showing up and they're downloading all your stuff, they're raising their hand, they love it, people will pay for organized free information. Or sorry, information. It's not free, but they'll pay for organized information. The thing with free stuff is that it's scattered, right? There's not a chance in hell that you'll be able to break down every single thing someone needs to have a perfect diet and lose 100 pounds in one post or in one live or whatever, right? There's no way you can take a piece and give it away as a free, give a tip or a bonus or whatever. There's no way you can tell someone the secrets to having a devoted, long-lasting relationship, blah, 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 in one post, in one snippet, in one little PDF. There's no way. There's not a chance in hell. There's way too many details. It's a whole big, giant infrastructure, right? That someone needs to learn and understand and buy into this whole way of living. Wealth too. There's no way you can have the exact blueprints, step by step for the next 6 to 12 months, every single thing that you need to know to run a successful affiliate marketing business, even though there's a lot of people running around thinking that they're delusional. No, but there's no way. There's no way I or anyone else can do that in one post, or even have enough time in the day to sit down, do a live, and show you every little step-by-step little detail, nook and cranny that you need to have a successful business. No way. There's no way. So don't be scared of that, because no matter how much information you give away for free, it's going to be scattered. It's going to be small bits and pieces, but it's going to raise curiosity enough to where people go, man, the free stuff is so good. I wonder how good his paid stuff or their paid stuff is. She, he, whoever, right? That's what's going on in their mind. The free stuff is so good. I wonder how much better it would be if I bought the paid stuff, the stuff that costs. That's all they're thinking. Okay, so don't be afraid to give away the farm, so to speak. There's no such thing. Okay, people will show up regardless. We're gonna get into the different types of posts in a second, but in this lesson, we're just gonna go through the post or the promotion cycle. So in your group, think about it by month. Let's say the end of the month. Let's take the end of the month. So this last week of the month is your promotion cycle, meaning that week you're selling something. You get it? That week you're selling something. Again, ebbs and flows. Why do we do it this way? Why do we do the tidal wave stuff where it's like, okay, 1 week we sell, the rest of the time of the month we're just like hanging out, giving away free value, laughing, having a good time? Why do we do that? Why do we do that? Because first, we want to attract people into our world. Mind you, remember, like if you're running your group right, you're always adding new members into the group, right? You're always seeing new faces, right? So if as soon as they jump into the group, the first thing they see is that you're always just selling stuff, sell, 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 sell. They're like, ugh, I don't like this group. I'm out of here, right? But if they jump into your group and they're like, whoa, look at all the awesome, cool, fun, free stuff in here. It's like, I can learn so much from this person. You're immediately setting yourself up as the authority. You know your shit, right? So that's why a vast majority of the time, I'm going to circle this, vast majority of the time is just all value. Just free, awesome, amazing content, the best tips, the best this, the best that, solving your problems. And they're like, wow, this group's amazing, because we're luring them in. We're attracting them in. So by the time you go through your promotion cycle, when people see a promotion, okay, guys, this one isn't going to be free. This is going to be $27, $47, $97, whatever prices you want to pitch out there. But here's what you're going to get. You know how you guys been getting all this free stuff? Well, I'm going to hammer it home, and we're gonna have this special one-time thing where you're gonna get this, all the problems that they have, because you know your audience, right? You survey them, you quiz them, you figure out who they are in their head, what do they want, give them exactly what they want. You're gonna get this, and this, and this special thing that I'm selling this week. Who's in? Now, if you've done a good job in your promotion cycle where you're giving away a lot of great stuff all the time, and you're getting a lot of eyeballs, you're getting people really interested, you're going to get a lot of people interested and wanting to pay for your paid stuff. It's the universal law, okay? It's the universal law of don't judge me, I probably can't spell it. Reciprocity. Reciprocity. I think that's how you spell it. I hope. I probably look stupid. Doesn't matter. Done is better than perfect, right? It's the universal law of reciprocity. What does that mean? When someone does something nice for you, when they look out for you, go out of their way for you, give you a bunch of free info, free stuff, pat you on the back, tell you you're great, support you and want to help you, and they're genuine and they're good people, no matter how much of an asshole you are, naturally you're gonna feel like I should give this person something back. They're always looking out for me. They're always putting me first and helping me out. They're good, genuine people. I'm gonna go ahead and give something back. I'm gonna pay for this thing that they're selling this week. It's just a universal natural law. All human beings are like this. Someone does something really nice for you, goes out of their way for you. You feel pretty guilty if you don't give something back, right? I mean, like I said, unless you're an asshole, but most people are not. Most people are genuinely good, right? Me too. Everybody else. I consider myself the pretty, blunt asshole kind of person, but someone does something nice for me, I'll feel bad if I don't do something nice back, right? It's normal. We don't want to be total pricks. So So I say all that to say that's how you want to think of your group in cycles. Not always sell, 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 me, take, but instead you. Here's some free stuff. I'm going to help you. Here, look at this. Here, look at that. Awesome stuff most of the month. Man, this is great. Reach out to them. Message, hey, how you doing? How's grandma? Is she still sick? Are you okay? All of that adds up. Those little... everyone's looking to get into affiliate marketing. I want sales. You will get sales. You'll get sales from your relationships. 100%. 100%. And the Facebook group is the new paradigm, the new way to build those relationships over time. Imagine this. Now that you can kind of see the future a little bit, I think you can imagine the scalability, the what's the word I'm looking for? The potential, right? You have this going. You have reciprocity. You have all this value. You have this audience. Let's say it's 2,000 members in your group, right? 2,000 people in the next 6 months to a year, which is realistic. You can grow a group to 2,000 in the next 6 months to a year. Absolutely. 100%. You can do that. Very realistic goal. Okay, so let's say 2,000 members in your group. Let's say only even half are really engaged. The rest are just kind of there. You know, that's going to happen. No matter how much you give away, there's going to be people who just like don't show up. Maybe they don't log into Facebook at all. You know, maybe it's just like a part-time thing. They don't take whatever you do seriously. That's okay. That's okay. Don't hate yourself for that. But let's say about 1,000 of those members are totally engaged with you. They love your stuff. They show up to your lives. They show up to interviews. They love your free giveaways and your PDFs and your whatever, right? You have this great relationship with 1,000 people. Every month, when you drop this promotion cycle, when you say, hey guys, this week, I know usually I do this stuff for free, and I really enjoy and love helping you guys 100% all the time. This one's going to be a $97 thing, and it's going to have all these special bonuses, and I really want to get you guys going. I'm going to work hard on this. It's awesome. And you're going to get this, and you're going to get this, and you're going to get this, right? They see that. You have this great relationship with them. 1,000 people, okay? $97 thing. Let's say even half of them coughs up $97. It's nothing, right? I mean, it's not nothing, but but for most people, $100. I mean, people spend that on an electric bill. And if you're, health, wealth, and relationships, stuff that is very, very important to people's core, right? And we're going to talk more about what you release in these promotion cycles, but you are creating this thing. 500 people buy, right? $97. Let's round that up because I'm bad at math. $100, right? 500 people spending $100 is a $50,000 month. I want you to let that sink in as I take a swig of my coffee. $50,000. So a lot of you are like, how do I get to a 10K month? And you kind of might now see, oh my God, it's not even hard. If I even have 100 people who buy a $97 thing, a small thing from me, after I give away so much value, I'm there, support them, help them, and I know exactly what they want. 100 people, it's nothing. It's a $10,000 month. That's it. A lot of you might be licking your lips now. You might be saying, oh my God, that's it? That's it? And I can do this every month? Every month. Doesn't even need to be high ticket. Although, you'll also do that, right? I'm going to show you how to set all of that up. And if you're an affiliate, you can probably think of quite a few $97, $100, little 47 low ticket things that you can sell to your audience every month and make bank. And then right after that cycle, right after this last month, or second week, I'm sorry, not last month, last week or second week or first week, whatever your promotion cycle is, right after that, and everyone's bought, you do what? You go right back to the value cycle. Promotion cycle, value cycle. You flip-flop. You don't want to burn people out. All promotion, right? We're going to push people away like that. We're going to push people away. But instead, we attract them, bring them in. So right after the promotion cycle, like, oh man, they got to buy stuff. Some people will walk away a little bit, but then you reel them right back in. You're right back to the value cycle. 3 more weeks of, hey guys, valuable stuff here, free stuff here, check this out. I got to help you. Here you go. They're going to be like, wow, this guy's awesome. So if they didn't buy this month, they'll buy next month. And the cycle continues and on and on and on. Every month, paychecks coming in. Nothing but value. It's very simple. People overcomplicate this whole process. People look at me and think I'm some kind of like, godlike genius figure. Like, how did you? It's nothing. It's so easy. It's so easy. You live to serve people. You help them out. You ask them what they want, and you deliver it to them. That's it. You help them out along the way. They have a journey. Help them out. And we're going to get into the next lesson, which I'm going to talk about this right here, the value cycle. And we're going to talk about what types of posts do you want to make in your value cycle. We know about the question posts. We know about doing little surveys and polls and figuring out, okay, what do these people want? What do my audience really need? Right? What's their pressing issue? What's what's going on in their head? Where do they want to travel to? Right? All that. We're collecting that data, but also we want to give value in the value cycle. So what do we post? Going to get into that in the next lesson. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.